beautiful day outside, and today is a special day because I have a special package that came in the mail, and I'm excited. So let's go out here and see what we got. Here it is, what we got. What we got, buddy? Keep ripping it. Whoa! Daddy got his Xmaxxes. Destruction. Yeah. We did a good job. You got packing tape in there, all the spare parts. Spare parts falling everywhere. Pop it. Oh, let's get the other one out. He was probably shaking his head when he was packing this up. Like, this is ridiculous. Oh, we had to zip tie the suspension down.
Daddy, trucks.
That lowrider truck right there, buddy. That landed good.
Look.
And then all the parts.
No.
I hope that's all my parts. Think you build an Xmaxx out of that? So, got the Xmaxx out. It's been about a little over 2 months since I ran the Xmaxx, and I'm excited. So, just gonna rip it around the track a little bit. Took a break from working, and just have some fun before the sun goes down. Beautiful day. And I broke my glasses, so I'm kind of pissed about that. I can see without my sunglasses. So big. Oh, I'm trying to use this thing. I had a little sputter there for a while. This thing did set in the trailer for 2 months, so. I missed jumping this thing. Oh, that's good on it. That's real good on it. So rusty with this thing, guys. Oh, she lands like a dream. Definitely not a track star. I'll give it that. I am running the Proline brute body. Something's going on with it, guys. When I'm jumping, it's like the engine's, or the motor isn't running freely. I don't know what's going on. When I got it, it felt a little seized up, and I lubed it up. Well, this really sucks, guys. I think my motor locked up on me, or is locking up. It's so hard to push. Look at that. Oh! And there went my ESC. So I just lost my ESC and my motor locked up on my Xmaxx, guys. So this thing is done, my motor's done, my ESC is done. It's locked up. It's just so hard to turn. This absolutely sucks. Looking at new motors and things like that, I'm not sure what I'm gonna get for it. Hobby Wing ESCs. So I definitely lucked out on this one, guys. My hobby shop was doing curbside systems. I went on their website and they had one of these in stock. So super thankful to be able to get a new ESC, because luckily I already have another Xmaxx. I have my 6S Xmaxx. This is the first generation Xmaxx right here, guys, and it's basically became my display truck with this body and everything on it. So I really don't want to run it. I just want to kind of retire it. I've had a lot of fun with it. So now I got my 8S, but my motor locked up, everything burned up in there, locked up. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take that out, which actually has a 1600 kV motor in it, and I'm going to put it here, and it's going to be a lot more power. Also, big shout out to Tyler Nevis, hooking me up with this awesome skateboard deck. I'm not a skateboarder, but that is a pretty cool gift, and thank you, dude, for sending me that. That is awesome. there we go. There she goes. Come on. Get out of there. Get the hell out of there. Alright. Yep, that's it. Alright, let's get that new one in. Last time I lost an ESC, my receiver actually went out. It was actually the stock Traxxas one caught on fire with this truck, and it took out the receiver and it took out my steering servo and it almost started burning up the batteries. So, 1600 kV motor in the Xmaxx from the Traxxas Xmaxx was a donor. I'm excited to rip this thing. Seems like it's got a little bit more power, so let's see what it can do. It's been frustrating. It's been frustrating, guys. Beautiful day. Got the Xmaxx running. It's blasted. There you go. I think there's 5 of them or so. And they're out here in the sun. I'm calling this snake corner. Sorry for anybody out there who doesn't like snakes. Whatever. They're not hurting anything out here. I haven't been used to the size. I've been running like 8th scale and 10th scale and getting used to the 6th scale again. But oh, I forget how the Xmaxx flies. It's amazing. So I've been doing a lot of clearing in here in the woods. All that brush through there. So now all the woods are open nicely through there and have trails and things like that. I'm going to keep clearing out a little more. Just keep taking the thin stuff out. Woo! Flipped her. You definitely wouldn't have done that before. It's got a lot more power, folks. A lot more torque with that 1600 kV. Not more torque, but more tire speed, sorry. Okay, so got the ramp propped up there on the sand. Gonna launch it. There's kind of a downside way over there, down yonder. So I don't know if I can catch that downside or not. So, but I do have to take this temporary spouting off here. Yeah, that's gotta come off. Alright. Sorry, dear, have to take the spouting off. We got big ass jumps to hit. Yeah, it's gonna be a little rough through there, boys, but I think we can do it. Let's send the old girl. It's been a minute. This thing is definitely a different animal than it used to be. Wow. So I got the ramp propped up way too big, sending it through the trees, through the woods, trying to like thread the needle. Ah, screw it. Let's just send it some more, boys. I don't even know if that all got on camera. Dang it, that was big. I miss jumping that thing so much. That's enough for the Xmaxx today. I don't want to break it too bad. Definitely a few more videos coming up with the Xmaxx. I love beating on this thing. We're going to definitely do a full send video. I will catch you guys on the next video. It's been a hell of a week getting this thing going, but it's gone. I'm just going to clear some more brush, make some more property, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Peace!